it's only brown because they put some brown shit in there.
They put some dirt.
You know that McCormick's brown gravy? You just mix water in it.
They have like regular brown.
Just like sugar.
Just mix a bunch of them together.
It's not good.
Like the.
And
then I go and make some sticky chicken for them. They're like, oh.
Yeah,
Say,
this is real food.
Just because your grandma is from Louisiana, I said, what's your grandma's last name? And it was, I don't even know what, wasn't Cajun for sure. But I mean, like I said, he's probably a little bit better than most of those guys from Oklahoma and Arkansas and.
They boil all their shit.
Yeah. What's that?
Did you fart?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
It has such a unique scent.
Sometimes I'll make a pasta. I just do some spaghetti and in a big pan. I'll put some olive oil. You know, it's not Cajun, but some olive oil and some garlic and some onions, and then slice some andouille,
and some
and then just mix that with the pasta, and they like.
I like putting bell peppers in mine.
Yeah, but they're so bland. Everything's just like meat and potatoes. I said, but put some salt on it, damn.
My favorite thing is
because the potato don't taste good unless you got some butter or salt on it.
Salting it when I cook. It's not often anymore. The onions, and I put salt. When you put the salt and black pepper, that's it. And man, it has such a unique scent. Man,
I know. Like
I get hungry
when you're
right
making
there.
rice and gravy. What I make them now, I take a boudin and I cut open the boudin and I make a patty out of it.
Yeah.
And then I sear it with butter and make it crisp on both sides, and then put a soft egg on top of that, and some leftover white beans, navy beans or something. Oh, they're like.
I know.
Wait, let me look at this a minute.
Take a look at that one. The caramelization underneath.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Don't try that.
It's for professionals right there. It's professional stuff right there. Bruh.